So we started in 2019 as a non-profit working in the agricultural sector with the goal of helping farmers in India increase their income. We were doing on-ground activities and working with customers directly. But we always had an ambition to scale rapidly, and we realized that using technology was important. So initially, we had an app on which we tried to help farmers network with traders, and it was very difficult because of challenges like digital literacy and also having to download a new app. And that's when we started exploring and realizing that chatbots are actually a really great solution. Um, Not only with farmers but pretty much with everyone, because you like a user doesn't have to download an app. We didn't have like a core technology team. We just had one backend developer who would help us with our app, and we realized that basically building a chatbot from scratch, especially one that has like entity recognition and can answer FAQs, is quite challenging to build that from scratch, something that can be deployed on WhatsApp and is scalable. So naturally, we decided to go with an off-the-shelf solution, and we decided that Engati was a good provider for that. The customer service and kind of response time that I first encountered from Engati, it was a very good first impression. And I also I thought the UI was quite simple to understand, and I liked the fact that there were many integrations available and a lot of versatility through using script nodes. So I feel that the features of Engati as well as the customer service were the main points that kind of led me to decide Engati over other competitors. Users are in such a habit of opening WhatsApp anyways, and they're extremely comfortable with using chatbots to find out information as compared to say apps or other technologies. We've seen that 92% of queries asked by farmers are answered on the bot, and we have around 65% retention rate. So basically, this would not have been possible, I think, in a short time. The kind of traction we've seen was really impressive, and it's almost 10 times the traction we saw when we had an app. So right now, our bot is just in Hindi in one language, but as we scale, we want to build out the solution for many different languages, including all the FAQs and entity recognitions. So basically, as we scale, and we hope to serve 1 million farmers, and of course, to do that, we think we can definitely do that with Engati's support. Yes, definitely, I would recommend Engati. I think that just the functionality available and the customer support are great reasons to use Engati.